I'm pretending I'm not hearing any of this.
What's wrong, Mary?
You know, it's easy to annoy you on an orc too.
Jump that I took? Was it back up
Did you
there?
get orc
Hey,
hands?
have you ever heard an orc do slash chicken?
Yeah, I have. But I'd like to hear it if you have the file.
I do not.
Oh. Well, then why'd you ask me that fucking question, retard?
Well, no, I was asking Mary mainly.
Oh.
It's not all about you, Zach.
It's all about
I'm sorry.
me.
Are you saying something right now?
Yes, I'm trying to be friends with you, but you're clearly not interested.
You're very perceptive.
Look, I'll let you dig out all this. I'm sorry, I can't. If it means that we can be friends.
That's all I ever wanted.
All she ever wanted was for you to not.
Well, I'm kind of curious. Are asexual people allowed to have friends?
No.
Better ask Mary.
You just had to, Zach.
Div, are you
You just
asexual?
fucking had to.
I was waiting for someone else. No one else took it. I had to go for low-hanging fruit.
Wait, now let Moon fight.
Back.
God.
Oh my god.
That is fairly annoying.
Wait, I agree with them by fighting it and killing it.
Not as bad as the laugh and the cry from the human. Especially the MLG one.
Oh,
That's
dude,
still my favorite.
dude, you need. Oh my god, I know what sounds you need, Div.
Okay.
I don't know how to describe it. Like the orc grunt sounds like. Oh, you know what I'm talking about?
You said we can't fight.
I'm sorry, can you do that one more time for me?
No.
Come on, one more time. I didn't quite get that.
Div, I'll hook you up. I got this. Give me 5 minutes.
Does anyone have versatility as a caster?
You know, you're like level 5, and you're swinging your mace, and he's like, oh.
Find it once again.
Like, can you trade it?
It's incredible.
You know what I'm talking about?
Alright, movement. One more boss.
Yes, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. I'm actually serious when I say this.
Oh my
Lightning
god.
Trinket? He did.
So anyways, you need that sound. Not necessarily from me, though.
You're right.
No, it has to be from Zach.